Hi, in this video we'll be talking about adding and managing users in the partnumbering.com service. All user management is conducted in the Users tab here. When you first come to the Users tab, you're shown a list of users in your account. At this point, it's just me. For each user, it shows their screen name, email address, if they're an administrator, and the user status, which can be either active or disabled. You can click on the screen name of any user to see their details. Once their details are shown, you can edit their information or change their password. More on that in a bit. You can add new users by clicking the Add a New User button. This button is always shown while in the Users tab. Let's go ahead and add a new user. The screen name is the name this user will use to log into the partnumbering.com service. As you type, the name is checked to see if it's available. If the name is not available, this will also be indicated, as seen here. We'll just add something to this to make it unique. Next, enter an email address and then a password. As you enter the password, the strength of the password is indicated, as seen here. There is no minimum requirement on password strength, but passwords must be 6 to 30 characters in length. You can indicate if this user should be an administrator or not. Administrators have access to the admin tabs, which are the account, number format, and users tabs. Administrator access allows other users to configure your account, much as we are doing right now. However, they do not get access to billing information, as that is maintained separately on the PayPal website. Finally, you can optionally choose to send this user an email letting them know an account has been created for them and giving them their login information. This email will include their password. Clicking the Add User button completes the process, and we are shown the details for this user. All users are created in an active state, meaning that they can log in immediately. The page being shown now is the details page for this user. It's the same page you get when you click on the user from the list of users. If we go back to the list, there's our new user. Clicking on the screen name takes us back to the details for this user. When looking at the details of a user, we now have the ability to edit their information by clicking the Edit Info button. The fields here are the same as those shown in the Add User process, but we also have the ability to change their status. This can be set to either active or disabled. If a user is disabled, they cannot log into the partnumbering.com service. Active users can log in normally. You cannot delete users from the partnumbering.com service. So if you want to delete a user, just disable them instead. Let's go ahead and make them an admin and save our changes. Also from the details page, we can change the user's password by clicking the Change Password button. As part of this, you can optionally choose to send the user an email with their new password. Let's go ahead and cancel our changes here. That's a quick description on how you can add and manage users in the partnumbering.com service. If you have any further questions, click on the Contact Us link and send us your questions. We'll get back to you with an answer shortly. Thanks for watching.